Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. Today I shall discuss the topic determiners in details. Now we have to study grammar section, grammar book, because before this classes we have studied the literature book. We have finished at least 4 chapters or 3 chapters, but couldn't find any reply from the students. So I have decided have to read grammar section and grammar part this month. So we have studied where you can use a, an or the. But at present and today we shall study important cases when articles are not used. It's a very important topic. So number 1 rules we have to follow. No article is used with a proper noun. No article is used with a proper noun. With a proper noun. No articles is used with a proper noun, just like Tagore was a great poet. Example, Tagore was a great poet. So no article is used with a proper noun. Second example from your book, New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. So you can concentrate and you can study. No article is used with a proper noun. This is proper noun. So always you should aware with proper noun and don't use any articles with proper noun. Exception: in case a proper noun acts like a common noun, it may require a, an or the with it. Okay? Exception: in case proper noun acts like. Note: in case proper noun is used like a common noun, proper noun is used or acts okay, proper noun acts like a common noun. It may require a, an or the. It may require a, an, the. A and the with it. it. Mark my point, very very important from the chapter determiners. In case proper noun acts like a common noun, it may require a and the with it. When you can use a and the with proper noun, when proper noun acts like a common noun. This is the important point. So always follow it through example. We can try to understand it. Every cricketer is not a Sachin Tendulkar. Example. Every cricketer is not a Sachin Tendulkar. Look, before Sachin Tendulkar, I am using article A. I am using article A. Understand? A Sachin Tendulkar means a player of Tendulkar's caliber. A player of Tendulkar caliber. So, have to understand, and always in this circumstances we have to use article A before A and the before proper noun when it acts, when proper noun acts like a common noun. No any doubt, no any hesitation after understanding the facts of the articles, the determiners. So in important cases when articles are not used. So number one rules here, no article is used with a proper noun, just like Tagore was a great poet. New Delhi is the capital of India. And note is very very important because the first rules refers to no use article, but according to notes, proper noun acts like a common noun, then it requires a and the with it. Just like through examples we can understand, every cricketer is not a Sachin Tendulkar. Understand? Number two, articles not required. Articles not required. No article is required with a noun is used in the general sense. No article is required. No article is required when a noun is used when a noun is used in the general sense. In the general sense, through example, we shall try to understand, just like Example, God is immortal. God is immortal. God is immortal. Here we are referring to God in the general sense. Here we are referring the God in general sense. So we can't use article when a noun is used in the general sense. So these are the main and important concept we have to keep in our brain. We have to remember. So no article is required when a noun is used in the general sense. Next rules. Articles are not used with nouns that name materials. Articles are not used with nouns that name materials. With nouns that name materials. That name materials. Okay. Example, steel has become very expensive. Steel has become very expensive. Okay, steel has become very expensive. So this is the name of materials. So we can't use articles with it, with steel. So number 2 rules, referring to articles are not used with nouns that name materials. Just like example, steel has become very expensive. So through example, we shall try to understand and we shall try to imagine the facts. Steel has become very expensive. And first rules, no article is required when a noun is used in the general sense. Just like example, God is immortal. Okay, next one. Next example, if you want to write, then write it. A sculpture. A sculptor, sculptures, works on marble. Works on marble. Okay. So through the example we can estimate and we can understand articles are not used with nouns that name materials. This is materials. This is materials. So no need to put any articles before materials nouns. So through these rules we can estimate and understand no article is required when a noun is used in the general sense, and no articles are used with nouns that name materials. It's clear? Next rules, articles are not used with plural nouns that represent a class. Example, children are generally very energetic. Children are generally very energetic. Flowers are used on all occasions. So articles are not used with plural nouns that represent a class. So before this rules we have studied a lot more in grammar section. So it's very important and essential for all of you. Please remember the rules of determiners because it will help you more and more. And in next class I will discuss the next rules. This chapter is very big and we have to remember each part because if we are not learning, then a lot of problem will be raised in our brain. So articles, after repetition of articles we have to follow also, and after that demonstrative determiners have to understand possessive and distributive, and after that quantifiers is too much important for all of you, and quantifiers is very important, some, any, much, many, several, and a lot of. And after that the chapter will finish, and interrogative determiners also given in your book, and very important topic. So I mean to say, in all circumstances have to learn it, have to remember, otherwise your determiner section will be poor. Okay, thanks.